Hey there, I'm Ethan, and this is our window into real streets, real cities, and real moments.
Hi, I'm Alice. What you'll see on this channel is 100% authentic. No filters, no scripts, just raw beauty from places you've probably never explored.
Every single video is filmed and edited by us, on location, in the moment. There's no reused content here. What you see is what we lived.
We take you with us, walking through coastlines, biking past city parks, or wandering into charming cafes. It's immersive, it's calm, it's real.
So if you're tired of noise, hype, and tourist traps, you're going to love it here.
Subscribe now and come explore the world with us, one quiet street at a time.
This is World Journey, on the trail of discoveries.
No noise, no fake, just the world as it really is.